So this is Jim and Ben with DC Digital, and today we're demonstrating a new product. It is a barcode scanner display system, and I say system because it consists of a master, which is over here to the left, that the barcode scanner is connected to, and these are secondaries which are wirelessly linked to the master, and they're going to be scattered throughout the factory and receiving also the code from the master, so there'll be a redundant type display. They come in 2.3 inch, right, what we're demonstrating is 2.3 inch 6-digit and 4 inch digit 4 inch high LED 6-digit. We can go all the way up to 30 inch digits, high digits, and we can go up to 8 numbers, right? I mean,
yes.
eight spots for barcode. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and have Ben, who wrote the software for it, and engineered this product, and kind of demonstrate what it can do.
Okay. So this is a standard barcode. We didn't manufacture that. That comes straight from
Wherever
a point of sale system, and we can supply it to you, or we can supply the cable, the serial cable, and the power supply to adapt to yours.
Yeah, this one is connected via wire.
Yes.
But we would have the means of being able to do it wirelessly if they wanted to do that. So
yes, we could connect the barcode to a transmitter instead of a master, and then transmit wirelessly to any number of displays.
But this specific customer wanted it directly connected.
Right.
Okay. Sorry.
No problem. The way it works is it starts out power up. After it goes through a self-test, it powers up to 0. This is the default state after power up. And then when you scan a barcode, I just scanned the single number 5 on a barcode. It's the quantity that was in this package. It'll scan any 2-dimensional barcode, but here it scanned the 5 and blanked out any leading characters because it's reflecting that the barcode indicates 5.
Just 5.
If I scan a 3-digit barcode with leading zeros, it still blanks out the characters that weren't received, but it does indicate the leading zeros that are in the barcode, so it reflects the barcode accurately. So
that barcode is actually 004. As opposed to the previous one, which was just 5.
Yes, and you can see in this 03240 barcode here, it does the same thing, 03240. If I scan a barcode that is longer than 6 digits, it will display the last 6 characters. This is important if you have something that's serialized but is a long serial number. You can still identify that item unique from the item previous or the item following, because usually the serialization is it changes in the last position or the last couple of positions. So this would still work even in a position where you don't want to invest in showing the entire barcode. You just want to show the last 6 or the last 4
significant digits.
But that's pretty much how it works. We have these, and we have a 6-inch digit and an 8-inch digit and a 15-inch digit, and Jim mentioned the 30-inch digit.
So this does not display any alphanumeric characters whatsoever. And if you did have the alphanumeric characters within the barcode, it would eliminate them, right? It would not. So
right.
Do we have a barcode that's got one?
So that is a barcode that is the country of origin. So US, it doesn't recognize any of that. This barcode has several characters and two numeric characters, and so it only recognizes the numeric characters.
So that barcode was what? What was it?
That barcode was actually 20MBVH.
Okay, so it had a combination of. So this is just strictly a numeric display. They just use strictly numeric digits or in their barcode. And they just want to see the last 6, which is
right.
Well beyond what they would probably need.
Yes.
For their
if you need
business.
Alphanumeric barcode capabilities, you would, in our 2.3-inch digit, we have 14 segment barcodes, or we have 14 segment characters displays, so that we could actually show the entire alphabet plus numbers in that product. But this is strictly numbers.
Okay. Sounds good. Very good. This is our barcode scanner number display system, and it's the wireless system. And this is Ben and Jim with DC Digital. Thanks for watching.